Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 24th May from around the world. Center says Arogya Setu app is passport to fly. 6 states insist on quarantine. With just a day to go for resumption of domestic flights, Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri Saturday said there was no need for states to quarantine incoming passengers who had Arogya Setu approval and did not show any symptoms of COVID-19. AIIMS former HOD Medicine dies of COVID. Dr. Jitendra Nath Pandey, the former head of the pulmonology department at AIIMS and a stalwart in the field of pulmonary medicine, died due to coronavirus. New Delhi proved to be a troubleshooter. Hydroxychloroquine may reduce the risk of corona. Infection is extremely rare among those taking HCQ. ICMR has issued new guidelines after 5 separate studies. All these studies were carried out on frontline employees of ICMR, COVID patients and non-COVID, health workers and others. According to the ICMR, based on HCQ drug recommendations of the Joint Monitoring Group and the National Task Force, states have been asked to offer the drug only to non-symptomatic people exposed to untreated infected health workers, frontline workers, and the infected children. Children under 15 and pregnant will not be given medication. Medication should not be taken without doctor's advice. Brazil, now biggest COVID hotspot after US. Brazil became the world's number 2 hotspot for coronavirus cases on Friday, second only to the United States, after it confirmed that 330,890 people had been infected by the virus. Brazil also has recorded more than 21,000 deaths, though experts believe the true numbers were higher. Remdesivir trial in US shows new promise. A trial founded by the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases in the United States had found that the broad-spectrum investigational antiviral drug Remdesivir can speed up the recovery in COVID-19 patients requiring oxygen therapy. Preliminary results of this trial suggest that a 10-day course of Remdesivir was superior to placebo in the treatment of hospitalized patients with COVID-19. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.